In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit PDF in Smallpdf. By the end, you'll know how to sign in, open the editor, upload your document, and make clean, accurate text edits right inside your PDF. Start by opening your web browser and going to smallpdf.com. This site offers a simple set of tools for working with PDFs, and the interface is very beginner-friendly. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top right corner and click Log In. If you're already signed in from a previous visit, Smallpdf may take you straight to your dashboard. Next, choose Continue with Google. This is usually the quickest way to access the tools without creating a separate password. Select your Google account when prompted. If you see a permission screen, review it and proceed. Keep your credentials private and avoid entering any information anywhere other than the official Google prompt. After you're signed in, find the Edit PDF option. You'll see an edit text choice within the tool. Click that, then upload your file. You can either browse for it on your computer or drag and drop it into the upload area. Give it a moment to process, especially if the file is large. Inside the editor, make sure the Edit Text mode is active. The toolbar will highlight it so you know you're in the right place. Now navigate to the page and section you want to change. Double-click directly on the text you need to edit. That will open the text box, and you can start typing right away to replace or correct content. Use the on-screen formatting controls to adjust font size, color, and alignment as needed. If you notice spacing or line break shifting, reduce the font size slightly or match the existing font to keep the layout consistent. A few quick tips to keep your edits clean. Zoom in to 125% or 150% for better accuracy, especially when aligning punctuation and line endings. Move carefully line by line to avoid accidental extra spaces. If a block of text won't highlight or you can't place a cursor, the PDF might be an image-based scan rather than selectable text. In that case, direct text editing may not be available for that section. Also note that edit text affects text layers, not images or shapes, so graphics must be handled separately. When you're satisfied with your changes, review the page to make sure formatting looks consistent across the document. That's it, your PDF text is edited with Smallpdf, quickly and clearly.